Okay, you can see I am using a microphone. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. And it looks so good. And I wear this hoodie to make myself a little bit warm. And I just suddenly find this is so beautiful. Oh, look at this scenery, the setting sun. Oh, I am so happy. Black hoodie with white hair. It's okay. Wow. Wow. Okay. Oh, this looks so good. Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. And I just went to school, and I do not have to, but I need to pick up something, and so I went there. And I am very happy to come to look for some new things, to look at some new sceneries. This really makes me so, so, so happy. And as you can see, my mood is changing, is so much happier. So I want to share with you. Wow, look at it. I want to share with you some of my thoughts here. Wow, this is so good. Look at the color. It captures the very unique color here. Oh, suddenly it becomes cold. Wow, what is going on here? Ah, it balances the light. If I am focusing, if the whole image is more darker, then it goes with the temperature of the dark temperature. Now it goes to the soft, warm temperature. Okay, so live and let live. This is what I want to say. It's not only live and let live. I want to say is that understand and let understand. So the topic of today's talk is understand and let understand. We need to understand ourselves. We have times that we are in a bad mood and we are rude to other people, and people do not understand us and could not find a way to comfort us. And this is maybe they do not intend to hurt us, but we did not give them the opportunity to understand us. So we are blocking the way for others to understand us. That's why we see people treating us bad. Not everyone is the same situation, but for me, the other day, I was feeling so bad. One of the reasons is that I closed myself. I closed the door of understanding. And the people around me, people close to me, people care about me. do not have, wow, this is so beautiful, do not have the opportunity, do not have the chance, do not have the way to understand what is happening, because I didn't explain. And there is no way I can explain, and there is no need I can explain. So in that case, I did not let other people to understand me. So I should take the consequence of misunderstanding, because I didn't open the door of understanding. A lot of time, it just takes time for feelings to develop, for things to develop, for understanding to develop. Today is a much better day. So much better. So much better. There is smile. There is eye-to-eye contact. There is an internal or very deep understanding and sharing of the feeling. We do not need to know the detail. We do not need to hear the story. But the idea is understand and let understand. Understand that we have bad time. Understand that people have the right to misunderstand us. And also understand that we need to open the door of understanding to let other people understand us. We need to open up. This is magnificent. This scene is magnificent. You have a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. I love you. I really do. Do. Bye bye, friend.